So you're concerned about whether to buy right now in this market versus continue renting. It's a valid concern, right? The market had been on fire, going up, and now where's it gonna go? So what do you do? Think about two things, right? Your payments right now for rent. If you stay in your rental property, the odds of the rent having to go up, they're very likely. The equity that you're gonna build in your home will remain zero. You will not build any real estate equity if you continue to rent. Now reverse that. Let's say you bought a home. You realize that you can fix your mortgage for 30 years. Your payment is fixed, will never go up for 30 years. And in time, 5, 10, 15, 20 years, your equity will continue to build. You'll build equity. You will build financial growth and wealth, possibly, depending on the home, if you own the home. You're guaranteed to make nothing if you continue to rent. Hopefully that'll get you over the hump of your concerns. It's valid, but think about the numbers in long term, because that's where you're going to build your equity and save money. Hopefully that helps.